Somebody knocking.
Well, somebody knocking, but we ain't about to let them in. So, you can see the big transformation. You know what I'm saying? Fresh walls, fresh drywall. We had to rip all this stuff down.
Even though we tried not to.
Right, new glass there, new glass there. The chimney, this was really like toe up when we had to tear it down, but we exposed the brick right here, so give it a little bit more character. And then these ceilings too. This is fresh ceilings over here. I think partial. This part right here we ain't replaced, but the other half is
What? That wasn't replaced? You
Actually,
lying. That looked good.
Skills. Fresh ceiling fan, you feel me? The Negro on the ceiling fan, Negro on the floors, you know what I'm saying? We run the light back with these floors, sanding these floors down.
There used to be raccoon paw prints somewhere. Cracked windows.
I think that boy was wide open too. The bathroom, this boy was toe up from the floor up.
Yes.
Literally. But you know what I'm saying? We got that lavish sink right here. Yeah.
So you can just see it on light. So now you won't be scared to go into the bathroom at night.
Yeah. Shout out to the warehouse we got this from. We got this test run from another warehouse. Waterproof floor. This is actually waterproof hardwood too.
Yeah. Remember, it's 2 bedrooms. So, ta-da! Ooh-wee. This is where the raccoons was in.
Yeah,
Well,
at least one way.
One of the ways they were getting in. Let's just say it came a long way. This is Babe's little portal he made.
Yep, to the bathroom.
Plumbing, yes. So this is access to the plumbing here. And he left it this way, so just in case he needed to get back there and make any repairs, it'll be easy to go ahead and pop those off. And I think it's kind of cute because it almost looks like some little doors.
Yeah, or like wainscot.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
we could have, that's how they make wainscot.
Wow.
Think about
Right, you could have played with it and
Yeah,
just
kept
kept it
going.
going.
it. And then
Wow.
put another tall right there at the end.
Oh,
That would have been raw.
Now I'm thinking of a master plan to use base skills. You can teach me that.
Teach you so you can use them skills.
You can teach me. And look at this. I think this looks pretty cool. It's like different versus having just a flat ceiling. But that was the magic that was worked upstairs.
Pretty cool. And then we had to find a ceiling fan that was small enough not to hit that joint. So as you can see, this boy just misses it.
I'm not gonna lie, fans can do the job if you just make sure you close that room off. It'll keep that air flowing.
Yeah.
So until we decide we wanna invest in AC, that's gonna do the job. Some people, you know, they'll just throw these up and then they just gotta buy their own fan. Here you go. Let's just say this ceiling was really a hot mess. It's just pretty funny to see how good it came out. It looks like new drywall, honestly. And we went ahead and just did some little details. These are the same sconces that were here, but they were gold, and we painted them black. So that's pretty cool. And this is just the door out to their balcony, because you know this is a luxurious suite. Can't go without mentioning this fan too. It's funny because it actually had like a wood grain on the blades, but we went ahead and spray painted those black to add to the details, because you know it's about the details, baby. I did not know that fans could freaking go 2 ways. So what's up with the ways that the fans turn back?
So right now, like summertime, when you need more air blown down, you can turn the fan blades pretty much clockwise. Is this going clockwise? No. You can turn it counterclockwise and then spin this way that you see it now and blow the air down. And in the wintertime, you want it to kind of heat up. Right, you can turn your heat on, and then there's a switch that's actually on this fan. You can hit it, and then it'll start turning clockwise. So, and that'll pretty much bring the heat up from the bottom, and then kind of dissipate the air. It'll go upwards instead of coming downwards.
Windows.
Yeah.
You know how we come in. All new, might be used.
They were trying to charge us what, like 100?
No, I think they said like 185.
Yeah, so something crazy, and we like, not gonna happen. We might as well just buy a new window. This is a JW window, JW Weld, way better quality brand than these here from Home Depot and another window supplier. It's just, this is like a really, really cheap window. We're not gonna use these windows no more. If you buy the highest, which is like the better, it actually comes with a warranty for if you accidentally break the glass.
Right.
You can't beat that. With these here, some of them come in warped, little defects in them, so I stay away from them.
This right here, I thought this was really cool because last minute they was like, wait a minute, it's only one plug in here. Let's try to help him out a little bit. Instead of digging into the walls, he went ahead and ran this track. It might not be some people's taste, but guess what? For the people who don't want to dig in their walls and who don't want to have to buy new drywall, pay somebody to mud, do all that, this might be an option for you.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes, this is the same kitchen. New cabinets, even though I really wanted to hold on to them old raggedy ones. They even got it looking real good with this nice sink. We got this at a super discounted price. But look at the value though. Like it came with this little rack, and I guess like the water can drain easier by nothing sitting on the actual drain. It even has like a dish rack right here. They really don't need to sit something here because I know there's not that much space on the cabinet side, but I mean counter side. But they can leave this clear, put their dishes here. Leave it clear, put their dishes here. This look raw. They went all out and made this just look even gooder by painting that black. And it just matches the fan and the black floors. And wait, is gooder a word?
Better.
Yeah, better. We even got this exposed brick still showing, and we just painted it white, give it a little pop, make it look a little different. You know the GFI's gotta be there. So they made sure them good to go. Found these on clearance, okay. These little knobs. We actually left these blank or without the knobs because if you look in here, this is kind of where all the extras are for the vent. Yes. I thought it was a really good idea that they went ahead, even though he had to dig in there again last minute. But it was a really good idea to go ahead and install this. So when they're cooking with all that grease and all that, you know, it'll be able to go ahead and suck all of that air up, especially if they fry fish. Now, if you know how fish, that's a good one to try to stop something like that.
Yeah, or if they burn something on the stove, smoke can go out.
Yes.
How does that joint work?
Turn on the lights. Bada boom, bada bing. Let's just see what that fan hit for while we at it. Ooh, I like how it slowly come on. Yeah.
It's actually like a low mode too. I see here we got 2 modes on there. And there's also 2 modes for the lights too. So y'all see you got them. And then super bright.
So hold up, wait a minute. Keep the windows because those are worth mentioning because these windows was a hot mess. We thought we had came up because they had like a bunch of windows just here, brand new, and it was like, hi, psych.
Not brand new.
So, ta-da! Pantry, okay. So they can put whatever they want in here. So guess what? that makes up for extra space.
Right. And we did leave like a space right here, so they said they might get like a microwave rack or something like that that'll be put right there. And these cabinets are still low enough. You can put some decorations up there. They even mentioned maybe like some LED lights or something like that.
Ty was trying to put these joints up here.
I ain't gonna lie, it's gonna be pretty high.
Yes. So I feel like this is like a decent height for, well, they're like the same height as me. So they can literally be able to look at their stuff without cracking their stuff in the head and calling us talking about, y'all got insurance, right? No.
So that's about it. That's actually crazy because our tenants is actually on their way.
Yep. Wow, it's kind of crazy.
Yep.
They about to be living here, but we gonna still be here.
Yep, because we still got one more unit to go.
Right.
So we gonna knock out that unit and we're gonna be gone.
And this is really just the beginning, y'all. Because y'all know we in that assets only phase.
Yeah, bird.
We on the 19 door challenge, okay? So stay tuned, you got plenty more to see.
Yes, so at least 20 more doors y'all gonna see us be renovating. So
Yeah.
till we get that apartment mark, it's gonna get fun. So definitely stay tuned, y'all. And we're gonna be dropping hella gems so y'all can learn too as we go. Cause we ain't hiding and holding no information from people.
We might not just always just be like, oh, this. You might have to just watch our whole video to catch gems. Like, that's what we do for people we are inspired by. We watch their whole video and we end up learning stuff that we might not have learned if we only was looking at their Instagram, like a little quick post. Make sure y'all miss nothing, okay?
You know we all about our family and business.
Yeah.
And if you are too, head over to artlife.com. Make sure you copy a shirt. Hit us up on our IG too at Art Lifestyle. ARTT.
If you go on Art Lifestyle, you'll kind of see we also collaborate with that page. So you can even find our business page. You can find our personal pages. It's like easy. So just start there.
Signing out.
Peace.
Hey, Ty, we out of the joint.